welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make a mixing palette, mixing palette like this one.
The elephant. So it's gonna make me
using Actimel bottle. So let's start.
Yeah. I think so it's gonna be purple. Do you like this picture? So I'm trying. I'm doing a video. Do you like it, guys? Guys, you make sure to have this video. So make your mom sleepy.
What did you say? Of course I will be careful.
So guys, my mom's doing this. I cannot proud of her. She makes this and all this. So my mom's mixed it. So I was happy.
You happy?
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do after?
My elephant. I'll show you my elephant.
Don't show yet because we're gonna make that in the video later.
Oh yeah, I will show you.
So there you go, guys. We will need 1. Be careful. 2, 3, 4, 7 of this one. So we're just gonna clean it. Then we're gonna get our glue gun and our long nose. We will need it.
It's like pew pew pew.
Pew pew, what pew pew pew?
The snipers are like a gun or something like glue.
Sa sniper, mag-sniper pala tayo dito sa glue gun.
Like a glue gun. But
It's like a sniper.
yeah, it's like a tiny sniper.
And
But
then we're going to put a scotch tape. Cute ng scotch tape ni Ainsley, oh. There you go.
what the color you want? I'm gonna pink gray on my elephant.
So I hope you like our video.
Let me do it.
And watch out for our next video.
Mom, can you paint for elephant?
Ainsley, we're gonna use this one. She loves painting.
I'm gonna use this one.
Okay.
This is my favorite.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye na.
Bye bye.